y'all, we back with another video. This some last minute type stuff right here. So they got a little racing going on again tonight, so make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I don't know how this night gonna turn out. I don't know if it's gonna be a good night, a bad night or not. It's just like some last minute type stuff, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Yeah, man, y'all, the car meet, whatever y'all want to call it, man, that shit was bullshit. I'm out here just sitting over here in the not the gas station, the parking lot, just chilling right now, taking pictures and shit of the car. But I little walk around of the car right quick. The gas station right now. Taking pictures, posting up at the gas station. Y'all know every car gotta do this. Gotta come in the middle of that gas station, you hear me? I'm gonna be posting videos and pictures and reels and all that on TikTok and my Instagram. Y'all don't follow me on them, make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all that. I post all that. Y'all wanna see the pictures and everything. Y'all let me know if y'all fuck with the wheels. I really fuck with them. I like how they look. You got this on here, you got a wide body Scat, 6 gen, 5th gen. We just chilling right now. What's good, YouTube? We're back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, we finna do a POV cutting up in the rain, sliding every corner. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm not gonna hold y'all boys up. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. And yeah, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and like and comment what kind of videos y'all would like to see. But let me put my seatbelt on right quick. Hold up. Put that belt on. In sport mode. Let's get into it. First turn of the day. I ain't go too crazy about the neighborhood because they be calling the police and shit. Y'all heard that pop? cutting up in the rain. Well, it's not really rain, but y'all can see it's wet outside. It's drizzling, but it been raining early, but it's still wet. So I ain't really fucking up no tires or nothing like that. Camaro, another Camaro. Ooh, hole in that bit. Ooh, hole in that bit, man. Stop fucking playing, man. Stop playing. One hand. With one hand. Playing with that bitch. I'm talking about tapping on that bitch, man. Stop playing, man. Man, y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Y'all gotta hit that subscribe button. Stop fucking playing. But look, I'm on the way to go get some food, and then I'm gonna go to Thai shit. Pull up over there. I'm gonna pick up the camera whenever. Nah, they got a roundabout up here. So look, I'm gonna put up the camera after this roundabout. I'm trying to do a little something around this roundabout. And yeah. They got traffic though. It's about the hours that they get out of school, where kids get out of school there. So we're gonna try to bust that roundabout for y'all. My fucking hand getting tired holding the camera, my phone, whatever. POV drive in the rain, sliding every corner, cutting up in the rain. Stop playing. Roundabout is right here. They got a lot of traffic though. Yeah, so they got cars and shit. Got a lot of traffic. I'm still gonna try to bust that bitch. And they got a school bus and shit right here. They got too much going on. They got cars coming from over there. Still try to bust that bitch. Stop playing. Stop playing. But y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna pick up the camera whenever I leave this place to get my food. And yeah. Man, I know I ain't just scratched my rims up trying to pull up in this fucking driveway. I'm gonna be mad as a bitch. Ooh, boy, thank God, boy. Man, just got them bitches. Can't scrape them bitches up. Fuck no. That little handicap ass fucking drive through. Man, look at this shit. Like, look out. Oh, fuck no, look. This shit's so small. Fucking around and smack my shit around this bitch. Look how small this shit is. How the fuck you even supposed to? They tripping on it. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Dumbass hoe. I told her I'm picking up for TJ. She just looking like she seen a fucking ghost or something. Stupid looking ass hoe. She, TJ, like 5 minutes fucking later. Yeah, bring my pizza, hoe. Alright, we got our little pizza. We got like little 2 pepperonis. We gotta get over here before them cars and shit come. Let me put that belt on. Hold up, let me put that seatbelt on. Gotta put that seatbelt on. Look at that. V6. Yeah, let's finish off this POV drive. I'm gonna start the car right quick. I'm not gonna go too crazy on the way to the house because the police do be out. Police be out. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around the car. Show you how I look today on this rainy day. Mustang, check the Mustang out. I don't want no problems though. I don't want no problems. Waiting on all these cars to get the freak out my way. Get out my way. Y'all see how they drive out here? Bitch kind of nice. Look, son, they ain't stopping at nothing, man. They know they can let a nigga out. They don't be thinking about nobody but they self. Look, bitch, I'll blow you down, ho. You see me trying to get out? Yeah, they fuck me. But they told me. They got cars coming on the side. Oh yeah, look, it's crazy because look, the dealership just texted me like 5 to 10 minutes ago, said all my tire sensors just came in. So whenever I go do that, I'm gonna vlog that for y'all when I go get my tire sensors.